Hello friends, welcome to our channel Finance and Entertainment. Today we are talking about a company called CFS. Let's talk about the company's history. 2006 this company has been demerged from their parent company Camlin Limited. It has a robust 30 years of experience providing innovative solutions with a competitive advantage in fine sciences. CFS has categorized their businesses into three verticals, which we'll talk in the next slide. CFS has their subsidiaries in Mexico, North America, China, Europe, Brazil, serving in more than 80 countries with 100 products and 1,000 satisfied customers. CFS makes its product in Europe, Asia Pacific, North America, Middle East, and so on and so forth. So let's talk about their overall achievements. So the key milestone is like when they started off in 93, wherein they have started their ultra modern facility in Tarapur, Maharashtra. From there, they have never looked back. In 2017, they acquired a company in fragrances and flavors and became the third largest producer of vanillin in the world. Similarly, they launched their aroma and flavoring compounds in 2014 and also acquired a company 65% stake in resin as well. Let's talk about the verticals. So they have three verticals: shelf life solutions, which contributes around 54% in the business; performance chemicals, which contributes around 25%; and aroma chemicals, which contributes around 17% in the total business. Now let's talk about the manufacturing facility where they are and all those kind of things. So FY19 business mix shelf life, as I said, contributes around 54% and includes antioxidants, blends, and additives. Performance chemicals includes specialty chemicals and contributes around 27%. Aroma chemicals includes vanillin and ethyl vanillin. They have their manufacturing facilities in India, Brazil, China, Mexico, and Italy, and they have their R&D centers at Tarapur and Ravenna, Italy. They have application labs also at five locations, which I mentioned it in the slide. Now let's see about the overall market. So global antioxidant market is growing 8% CAGR, and the company is the third largest vanillin manufacturer in the world with 100% backward integration. Its growth strategy was they follow, shifting the focus from antioxidant ingredients to antioxidant blends. They are trying to commercialize the H SCG facility and making CFS the second largest producer of hydroquinone and catechol in the world. Also, they innovate and develop natural and organic chemical products and continue growing in vanillin market as well. Let's talk about the financials. So Q on Q performance for financial year 1920 is in 1920 Q2 the total revenue clocked was around 223 crores as compared to 261 crores, which is like 14% dip in this overall. PAT was also dipped from 15.5 crore to 6.9 crores. The Q year on year performance was also like a robust performance. Like revenue has grown from 211 crore to 223 crores, and PAT also has grown from 1.3 crores to 6.9 crores. Now let's talk about the company's overall thing. Like Camlin is a micro cap company with overall market cap of 1,000 crores, and PAT for quarter ending September 2019 is 6.93 crores versus 15.5 crores in June 19. Total debt on balance sheet is around 437 crores, which has increased by 22% compared to last year. The shareholding pattern looks like pledged promoter holding is 10.95%, which is a point of concern. The mutual fund which they have invested in this stock is 18.72% and increased from 18.48% to 18.72%. FII has also hold some value in this particular stock. Total promoter holding is around 22.59%. And also like there's a news like Mr. Damani has acquired 1.5% stake. Technicals, if you see, RSI has reached to 78.5, and Bollinger Band also price is touching the high of standard deviation. So both the parameters are showing that it is reaching the overbought situation. But still, like there is a value in this particular share. So if you talk about this, because this has also increased because Mr. Damani has grabbed around 1.5% stake in the company, and that is the reason people are getting this stock at every point. Let's talk about the technical. So Bollinger Band, as I mentioned, that it has touched around the top of the Bollinger Band, and that is the reason, like I'm saying, like it is in a overbought situation. So if you look at the overall Bollinger Band, if you get this share around 65 to 70 rupees, that will be a fair value wherein you can add this particular share in your portfolio as well. But it's a risky thing, that in case you are really taking a risk, then you can get into this kind of share. Let's talk about yesterday's business. Like it has closed at 84.05, and it hit the uh, upper circuit. The total good thing is that total delivery volume is around 51.47%, which is a huge delivery volume, and you can always look at those kind of shares wherein the people are taking these kind of stocks back to home and not just trading it. In case you like this video, please hit the like button, and also please subscribe my YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much.